Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15, and now I'm gonna show you how to exit recovery mode on this device. To do it, firstly you need to disconnect your iPhone from the computer and press volume up, volume down, then press and hold power button until your device boots in normal mode. It's possible that you don't see the log on your screen. In this case, you will need to release power key and hold power key again until you will see the Apple logo. When you will see the Apple logo, you need to release the power key. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.